एक बार देख लीजिए.
Oh, sorry. Can you go again?
Yes, okay. For like Salman sir, it was the name Prem,
Yes.
and for Bachchan Saab, it was the name Vijay. Shahrukh sir, Rahul. So like that, now people are just calling me Taj. People from Kenya in Cannes, they came like Tajdar, Tajdar, and I'm like, oh my god. पर एक बार मैं मुंबई में आ गया, तो Mumbai just kind of like just swallowed me in.
Wow.
You know, and it just never left me. Oh wow, what an overnight success. Like, ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं है भाई, ये 15 साल की मेहनत है. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम है ताहा शाह बदूशा and you are watching me on midday.com.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to midday.com. I am here with the man of the hour, Tajdar Baloch, Nawab Tajdar Baloch from Hira Mandi, Taha Shah Badusha. Welcome to Midday.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you for having me.
I guess Tajdar has now become your identity, you know?
Yeah, little bit.
Yeah. You know, I guess when you're at Cannes Film Festival, people were calling you Tajdar. What was that like?
You know, as an actor, जब आप कोई भी किरदार आप करें, पर एक किरदार you know kind of बस जाता है.
Yes.
You know, for like Salman sir, it was the name Prem.
Yes.
And for Bachchan Saab, it was the name Vijay. Shahrukh sir, Rahul. So like that, now people are just calling me Taj. You know, मेरे कुछ दोस्त हैं. They're like, we wanted to message you. We went to our messages and we typed in Taj. And then they're like, अरे नहीं Taj नहीं Taha. And
Exactly.
then they are my friends.
Yes.
So imagine the audience.
Yes,
You know,
yes.
now so they know me as Taj. They're like, ये ताज ही है, ये ताजदार है. My feelings for this is really shocking because I've been shocked by the kind of response I am getting. मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था मैम कि मुझे ऐसा कुछ मुझे इतना प्यार मिलेगा, और वो भी दुनिया के अलग अलग कोनों से. फ्रांस के लोग, मतलब फ्रांस के लोकल लोग मुझे पहचान रहे हैं, स्पेनिश के लोग मुझे पहचान रहे हैं, रशियन लोग मुझे आके पहचान रहे हैं.
Wow.
People from Kenya in Cannes, they came like Tajdar, Tajdar, and I'm like, oh my god, how amazing, you know. I mean, besides Indian desi people, of course, all that is there. Dubai में बहुत सारे लोग हैं, Indians, Pakistani, Sri Lankans, Nepali, you know, so many people. But I believe that just for them to appreciate our show, and then to appreciate a small part that I did is so incredible. So it's just really blessed.
Right. You're there to promote or launch a film of yours?
In Cannes?
Yes.
Yes.
Right.
I was there to launch a film which is very close to my heart. Something which is on a social subject.
Okay.
और मेरी यही कोशिश रहेगी कि मैं हर साल या हर एक दो साल में मैं एक ऐसी फिल्म करूं जो एक social subject के ऊपर हो, जो at least the love that I'm getting and the audience that I've been able to garner,
Yes.
I can send them a good message out. So this film is about bride slavery,
Okay.
which happens up in Mewat,
Right.
हरियाणा में, क्योंकि वहाँ पर female feticide होती है. They kill the girls, which is unfortunate.
Yeah.
So the whole world has gone off balance.
Yeah.
Now they need to abduct young girls to
Yeah.
get them back there and get them married to these men.
Right.
Right. But the worst part is कि इन लड़कियों को, इन औरतों को, they don't get the family name. They married this person, but they don't get the family name. They don't get any rights. They don't get any money, any property. उनके खुद के बच्चों तक, they don't have no rights on them.
Obviously, Tajdar has become your identity now, but your own name, Taha Shah Badusha. So interesting. Tell us a little bit about, you were born outside of India, right? Tell us a little bit about your ancestry and where you're from and how did you end up in Bombay?
मेरी मम्मी जो हैं वो कर्नाटका से हैं.
Right.
From a small village called Bijapur.
Okay.
And her lineage has been very interesting क्योंकि उनके जो, I mean, her father or my grandfather married twice. So she was from the second wife. So the first wife, they had about a few children, and many of them were on the top positions of India government. My grandfather, his father, was also fought in World War I, World War II, all right? And he was also, there was a story where he was about, I think about 100 meters or like someone from Hitler, right? He was in that kind of a war
Wow.
too. So, and then my aunts have been like so much in pushing out education for everybody in Bhopal. They live in Bhopal, and so I'm South Indian technically, and my father is very well educated. He was from the London School of Surgeons.
Yes.
He did his FRCS from London as well. A really very smart man, and my mother was a biochemist
Yes.
initially. These are all nothing to do with the film industry.
Yes, yes.
But very well educated, well to do people in their own fields. And my brother is a civil engineer, studied from Toronto. And मैं पता नहीं कहाँ से मैं आ गया, वहाँ मुझे एक्टिंग करना है। हाँ भाई जा, तू जा कर. But my mom has always supported me in everything. And
When you moved to India, at which
I-
age?
when I was turning 21. I was turning 21.
And you came to Bombay?
मैं डायरेक्ट बॉम्बे आया था.
Ah,
मैं पहले I went to boarding school when I was 4, 5 and 6. I mean 4th grade. That was in Kodaikanal.
okay.
That was my first interaction with
Beautiful
India.
hill station.
Yeah, it is. And best memories in school. Best. मैं अगर बचपन की memories में मुझे जाना होता वापस, I would take a time machine and go back to that time. Best time of my life. And then मैं actually मैं न्यूयॉर्क जा रहा था. And then मेरी मम्मी ने कहा कि देखो वहाँ पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, कुछ ऐसा कुछ, तो फिर मैं नहीं आ सकती और वहाँ पे कोई है नहीं. एटलीस्ट इंडिया में हमारे फैमिली हैं, लोग हैं, मैं हूँ, मैं दुबई से आ सकती हूँ. तो एटलीस्ट जाके देख लो, अगर नहीं जमा तो फिर आप चले जाना. पर एक बार मैं मुंबई में आ गया तो मुंबई जस्ट काइंड ऑफ लाइक जस्ट swallowed me in,
Wow.
and it just never left me.
Wow.
And I never left it. I believe that Mumbai has given me so much, Maharashtra has given me so much, India in general has given me so much, that it's now my time to hopefully give back to
Give
India.
back. Right. But Bombay has not been easy for you. Your first film, even though it did decently, what do you think went wrong after Love Ka the End, and what has the struggle been like after that to land one project after another?
I don't think anything goes wrong, to be honest. It's a way of looking at it. You can blame that this is wrong, God doesn't like me, people don't like me. But there's another way of looking at it where you get slammed on the face and then you're like, why do I get slammed on the face? What just happened? What do I not know? What are my weaknesses?
Right.
So I feel that you should become that kind of a person.
Yeah.
When you get rejections and when you, in any field, whether it be even in your love life, whenever some setback happens, you have to question yourself. You have to sit down with yourself and question, where do I lack? Stop blaming the world, right? Point these fingers at yourself. And when I sat down with myself, मुझे लगा कि भाई मुझे तो 99% चीज़ें नहीं आती. ओके, मुझे मतलब भगवान ने मुझे ब्लेस कर दिया कि मैं यशराज की फिल्म में मैं लॉन्च हो जाऊँ. But I didn't know anything else. I didn't know anything to do with filmmaking.
Right.
I know acting okay, but I didn't know filmmaking. I didn't know PR. I didn't have a network. I didn't have skills besides acting. I didn't have dance. I didn't have action. I didn't have a great body. फिर मुझे उस वक्त पे मुझे उतनी ज़्यादा हिंदी भी नहीं आती थी. फिर उसके ऊपर आप मेहनत करो. ना मुझे पढ़ना आता था, ना लिखना आता था. ठीक है, बोलना थोड़ा स्क्रिप्ट में आप कर लेते हो, पर टू बी एबल टू राइट एंड रीड एंड थिंक इन हिंदी, वो एक जर्नी रहा है. और फिर उर्दू, और फिर रांची डायरीज़ में मुझे फिर वो आई नीड टू लर्न रांची का डायलेक्ट. So everything is a learning process.
How has things changed after Hiramandi? It's like an overnight. It's been a month since the show released. How has life changed?
First of all, I would say that it's not overnight.
Okay.
कुछ लोग अभी मुझे मैसेज आ रहे हैं कनाडा से और मेरे अंकल को, oh wow, what an overnight success. Like, ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं है भाई. ये 15 साल की मेहनत है, तपस्या है, दुआएं हैं, मैनिफेस्टेशन है, और मुझसे ज़्यादा मेरी मम्मी का है कि उन्होंने मुझ पर इतना पैसा लुटाया है. मतलब उनकी जो जितना भी उन्होंने कमाया है लाइफ पे, इट इज़ फॉर हर.
Right.
And I'm grown up boy. After you're 21, 22, you should start earning for yourself.
Yeah.
But she supported me.
Okay.
She supported me with my staying. She supported with me with an actor's life is not cheap, especially in Mumbai. You have to, you have to be for right body. फिर आपका nutrition, आप ऐसे कुछ नहीं खा सकते. आपके फिर प्रोटीन, फिर आपका जिम, फिर आपके क्लासेस, जिमनास्टिक, ये वो.
It's a lot invested.
It's a lot of money, and then on top of that, faith.
Yes.
That आप मामा का faith कभी नहीं टूटा. So, yeah.
All the people who you've known in this past 14, 15 years, friends who've probably lived with or been with, what are their reactions like?
I'm really bad at making friends.
Okay.
In fact, मैं बहुत ही लोनर किस्म का आदमी हूँ. पुनीत असार जी ने एक बार मुझे, जब मैंने बरखा फिल्म शूट की थी, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि बेटा, I asked him what's one advice you would give, and he said, just remember that everything in this industry is temporary. People might hate you, that will change, it's temporary. People might love you, that might change, be temporary. Success is temporary. Failure is temporary. Just remember this. You know, that was his advice. And I
Wow,
still date, I remember it. That's why for me, success and failure over time has become like this. कुछ लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि भाई तू ये है, तू इतना खुश नहीं लग रहा है. मतलब ठीक है, you know, I'm happy, I'm content. You know why I'm content? Because now I have सबूत कि आप मेहनत करोगे तो आपको मिलेगा.
right.
You know, so I'm content. I'm not a person to jump around and go and celebrate, party करो, drinks करो, yeah, मैं वो नहीं हूँ. अभी मुझे ये पता चल गया है कि मैं और जितना मेहनत करूँगा ना, मुझे और उतना मिलेगा, और ये मेरा सबूत है. You know, so I am not ecstatic, I am inspired, I am motivated. कि अब मैं जानता हूँ, you know, for 15 years I've been waiting for just one recognition, right? And finally, with all the hard work that I put in, one thing has come. So now my mind is blown open. कि अभी तो मैं Cannes गया था, so now it's like now I'm going to make sure that my film opens opening night of Cannes.
Oh,
And put India on that thing.
right.
और just recently after 29-30 years हमारी film, I think कल एक film All We Imagine Is Love.
Yes.
That's what we
You're
played.
talking about Payal Kapadia's film?
I think so.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
जो select हुई थी वहाँ
Yes,
पे.
yes, yes.
Right? Such a big
Yes,
honor for
yes,
us.
yes.
Right? So now that the gateway is open, and now it's time to do the
Right.
opening night. I mean,
Right.
that's my dream.
Right, right. You know, of course, one thing everybody's talking about, and social media is full of it, about how women are just losing their minds over Tajdar and Taha's good looks and everything. You know, आपका वो जो गाना है, एक बार देख लीजिए, it has been officially released this morning, and I was looking at the comments. You know, everybody is like, you know, let me just read out one or two. You know, you see.
मैंने खुद देखा नहीं है, आपने देख
Look
लिया
at the comments. Obsessed. Everybody wants a boyfriend or a husband like Tajdar.
oh wow, I didn't know this edit came.
Yes, the video is out now.
This is so nice.
But look, you know, this kind of, how do you deal with it? Does it affect you?
What?
The female attention, the comments like these.
No, I'll be very honest. When you don't become completely a public figure, right?
Right.
Then sometimes you're like, हाँ ठीक है, हम लोग जाके, you know, if we're going out, then I might, you know, just talk nice to a girl, you know, maybe try and get her number. You know how it is, right? All that is there, but now everything has changed for me. My mindset is not like that. Now, even if the best girl comes to me and, you know, for Tajdar, it's very respectful. I don't want your number anymore. Now I just want your love and your respect. Like, my whole vision has changed. You know, now it's not become like, now I'm a star, now I'll do this and that. No, now it's become like, now it's become my responsibility to give them, you know, love from the screen, you know. So that's how I think I have changed. I've become a completely different being with the kind of respect that all these girls, women, mothers, grandmothers are giving me. I believe I've become a completely different person, because now I'm like, now I become like, oh my God, like I'm literally become a baby, you know. And the attention doesn't make me go that. It actually made me go like this.
Wow.
And
Humble.
Humble, no, grateful.
Right.
I mean, you know, sure, humble, sure, but I'm not becoming humble. I'm becoming very grateful.
Right.
And you know, whoever the prettiest girl comes to me and she says this, no, and it's not like I want her now or nothing. It's just like I want. This feels so good because 15 साल की मेहनत and nothing now can what's it called, be higher than that, to be more grateful and value this.
Right.
So for me, all this attention that I'm getting is really just, like I said, inspiring me कि now is the time. ना अभी अपना ज़माना शुरू हुआ है. Even Bachchan Saab has said कि nobody can be famous forever.
Yes.
Right? You cannot be. This is temporary.
Yeah.
All right. Now, but whatever this, however long this lasts, is my responsibility now. With great power comes great responsibility.
Right. Right.
Now I can put out films that I feel will help you kind of break open that heart and cry and feel. You know, that's the kind of films that I want to do. I want to be in the audience. I want to see them all cry.
You've already made that happen with Hiramandi. You know which scene I'm talking about. Yeah, that is still not recovered. So I'm sure that's already happening.
And you know that scene that Sir told me that is the only scene
Yes.
that has not been dubbed. There's no dub, there's no sound, there's no music, there's nothing. It's just me. Whatever I did there that day is literally on screen. So that really means a lot, because I brought the crescendo up in that scene, and I was really hoping that happened, and it
I
happened.
was reading somewhere you were actually being hit.
Yeah, I told them
Like
to
you
hit
told
me.
them to.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I told them
Some
the first 2 times to feel what this guy, how he would move when he's upside down, right? Because that guy would just go like this, and then I'm like, you don't feel anything. I mean, I'm not going to die if you hit me once or twice, right? Laga. So once you feel it, then you can double that in your head, because now you don't have to. You have the feeling now. Remember, I don't know if you've seen 12 Years of a Slave,
No.
right? But there's a scene where a woman is tied onto a thing and she's beaten by a whip. Bro, how much I want to recreate that scene on myself, you have no idea.
There are some Urdu words I'm going to ask you
Okay.
from Hiramandi's dialogues,
Haan ji,
and you have to tell me what the meanings are. Gustaki. When you're at
When you
home.
do something unpleasant, maybe, and then you ask for an apology, so you say, Gustaki maaf kar dijiye,
Right.
like if I have done something that might affect you negatively.
Right. Nathutrai.
Everybody knows this one. How do I say this?
But you can explain in context of Hiramandi. Like
Okay, in the context
how
of Hiramandi is where she will now officially become a tawar.
Mushaira.
एक मजलिस में मतलब बहुत सारे लोग बैठे होते हैं, and then one person is presenting
Right.
this शेरो शायर.
Hunar.
Hunar is आपकी जो the skills that you possess, is the good qualities. Hopefully you can say good qualities that you possess.
Right. Inqilab.
Like revolution is basically standing up for the right. So
Right.
you shout out Inqilab Zindabad because you want to stand up for the right.
Right. Bagawat. And how is it different from Inqilab?
Bagawat is rebellion.
Yes.
Revolution is different.
Right. Mulk.
Country, Mother India, Mulk.
Napak. It's something you say.
Napak is unpure. I mean impure.
Impure. Right. Parwana.
Parwana bana dijiye. That's the line. How do I explain this? I don't know why, but I feel like it's something fluttery.
It's the moth attracted to
That's
the
what I'm saying.
flame.
Something fluttering.
Yes.
I thought it was
On that note, can you please say the dialogue?
the whole dialogue.
Yes.
आपको भी पता है dialogue?
हाँ.
मैं एक लाइन बोलूंगा, आप एक लाइन
Oh,
बोलिए,
no.
ठीक है? हाँ, तो मैं आपको बोलूंगा, आप मुझे सेकंड लाइन बोल दीजिए, and तीसरा लाइन मैं बोलूंगा, चौथा लाइन आप बोल दीजिए, ठीक है?
हाँ. Okay. चलेगा.
एक बार देख लीजिए.
Oh, sorry. Can you go again?
Yes, okay. I'll go again. एक बार देख लीजिए.
दीवाना बना दीजिए.
जलने को है तैयार हम.
परवाना बना दीजिए.
There we go.
On that note, my name is Boni.
Boni.
It means fire.
It means fire.
Yes.
तो जलने को है तैयार हम Boni.
Thank you so much
Thank
for this
you.
conversation
Thank you.
and being such a sport. And I wish you all the best for everything that you do
Thank
in
you.
future. Lovely meeting
Thank
you.
you,
Lovely
Boni.
talking
Thank
to
you so much.
We'll be in touch.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.